Hey guys, it's Keith here from Celestia Homes. So today I'm really excited to announce a new service that we're providing, and it's specifically towards medical recruitment agencies and medical service providers. So what we're doing is putting together really good packages to be able to service that industry, as well as providing safe, clean, fully equipped, fully furnished accommodation for the staff that are moving into those spaces. So I've gone ahead and created a web page which explains about our service and how we're able to work together with service providers and provide that customized one-on-one communication and service provision to meet their needs. So I'll go ahead and paste the link to that web page so you can check it out. And just really wanted to get this one out there to let you know that we're still here for you, and that we're always looking for ways to improve our service and provide better quality results for all the people that we work with. So that's it from me for now. I hope everyone's staying safe, and I'll catch up with you very soon. Thanks. Bye.